you told me in 2023 that I would be fingerboarding again, I might call you crazy. Coming back to fingerboarding and coming back to this channel in general was not in my bingo card for 2024. Even though I came back to fingerboarding like almost halfway through 2024, the overwhelming amount of support that I received from you guys is just insane, and I am completely grateful for that. I just wanted to say thank you for a great 2024. And I guess the highlights of 2024 was being an official rider of Civil Made. It was just amazing, and the fact that I am now an official rider for Civil Made is just surreal. Going to Finger Skate Malate 2 and almost had a chance at the best trick, that was just insane. I was so nervous that I thought I was gonna win, but even though I didn't win the best trick, I gave them a run for their money, and that was a highlight itself. And lastly, filming Friends 2, one of my favorite video parts that I made, and it actually got noticed by Fingerboard TV, the first one and the one that I just made, Friends 2, and the fact that people noticed, it was just insane. Coming back to fingerboarding in 2024, seeing all the support that I have, it felt like I never left. It felt like it was still the same community that I had, and now I feel like there are now more eyes watching me, and I want to say thank you. Yeah, let's close off this video with the session from Charles. And yeah, thank you for watching. Here you go. Sabi mo na.
First strike.
Hindi, yung isa.
Ano isa?
More shred.
More shred. More shred gear and sesh. Let's go.
Salamat to.
Ay, kung nag-unboxing na ng soup. Takin mo in-unbox ko sa'yo, dalawa, binili ko pa gaga.
Nakilala ko pag bumili siya. Nawala gig yan.
Mag-iig sa sarili ko pag ginusto ko. Hey! Takin lang yun.
Let's go.
Hey! Ano na lang, pre? Kickflip, pre. Ako na dyan. Pakino po ako isang puta. Arma, boss.
Take in here, take.
Last round.
Oh, kulang ina mo. Wala ka na.
Lamelos balls. Gago!
Kasi na mamatay.
I said stop. Hindi kaya.
Jasper! Suot mo na. Okay, kung sino ang matalo, ay kung sino ang mapili, tanggal, yung matitira mananalo.
Oo. Christ, para sa lahat.
Yes, tanggal ka, Moyo.
Nanalo pa din.
Kaya nga eh. Okay lang.
May pambili na ako eh.
32mm deck.
Yay! Yay!
Dapat pala nakalagay doon, powered by Girin and Dirty Fingerboards.
Oo. Kabilang side, kabilang side.
Tangin na, di ba? Nag-sesh lang kayo, nanalo pa kayo.
Okay! O yan na!
Ayan na. No. Dirty.
Tangina. Pakalakas.
Oh,
May magic na pambili.
Hey!
Ganun ako pag nag-ano ako. Sayang, papabawunan sana kita ng isang box, pero...
Hi, ma.
Apoy, thank you. Napupunta na, hindi kasi ako mabigay ah.
Ha? Talaga?
Yeah, sige. Dalawang try.